ORTUR Laser Master 2, S2-LF SF LU2-2A, Laser Engraver, Laser Cutter Review, Real Precision Proof. Ever finish a project and feel it almost looked professional, but not quite? Maybe the lines weren't sharp, or the edges burned just a little too dark. I remember trying to engrave a simple logo on wood and realizing halfway through that the detail just wasn't there. It's frustrating. You invest time, materials, creativity, and still feel limited by your tools. If you've ever wondered whether your engraver is holding you back, you're not alone. Over time, that limitation starts affecting more than one project. You slow down your designs because you're unsure the machine can handle fine detail. You avoid thicker materials because cutting feels inconsistent. You spend extra minutes adjusting focus, rerunning passes, or sanding away charred edges. The quiet pressure builds, especially if you're selling custom pieces or promising deadlines. And here's the thing. Most mid-range laser engravers look similar on paper. Big work area, decent power, standard firmware. But in real use, stability, precision, and safety are what separate smooth workflow from constant tweaking. Maybe you've thought about upgrading but hesitated because of cost, complexity, or fear of overkill. You don't need something extreme. You need something reliable. Something that balances engraving detail with cutting strength without turning your workshop into a noisy experiment. That balance is harder to find than most people expect. Here's what actually works. Don't just pick any laser engraver. Make sure it has compressed focal spot laser technology, so you never experience blurry detail and uneven cuts again. That's where the ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2-LF SF LU2-2A laser engraver, laser cutter, starts to make sense. With its 390 by 410 millimeter engraving area, you're not constantly resizing projects. The 32-bit ESP32 motherboard processes motion smoothly, and the plus or minus 12.5 micrometer mechanical precision translates into visibly cleaner lines. The LU2 laser module delivers an ultra-thin 0.1 millimeter engraving line, which means logos, text, and fine graphics look crisp rather than burned. Then there's speed, up to 10,000 millimeters per minute when optimized, which matters when you're batching products. A small business owner I know switched to this platform for custom leather tags and immediately noticed more consistent depth and fewer rejected pieces. That saves time and material. The quadruple safety protection, including automatic laser shutoff and position detection, adds real peace of mind during long sessions. And yes, experienced users often appreciate the expansion kit option for larger formats. Quick question. Do you prioritize engraving precision or cutting versatility more? Trust builds when results repeat. Independent reviewers highlight the upgraded OLF v1.80 firmware and motion algorithm optimization as key improvements over earlier models. Users consistently mention easy 10 to 15-minute assembly and sturdy aluminum construction. One hobbyist described it as a workhorse for daily orders, while another compared its engraving quality favorably to far more expensive machines. That said, it's still a 5.5 watt class system, so thicker material cutting may require multiple passes. That's normal in this category. Personally, I noticed the stability during longer engraving runs more than anything else. Lines stayed aligned, no unexpected shifts. For makers and small businesses, that consistency reduces waste and stress. If reliability and safety matter as much as raw power, this model begins to stand out logically. The ORTUR Laser Master 2 S2-LF SF LU2-2A laser engraver laser cutter offers a balanced path between beginner-friendly setup and serious precision. You gain a generous work area, ultra-thin engraving lines, reliable firmware, and safety systems designed for real workshops. Thousands of hobbyists and small business owners already use this platform to turn ideas into products. If you're ready to upgrade without jumping into industrial-level machines, this is a smart place to look. I've dropped my link in the description and pinned it. Just click and see for yourself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.